Have you ever wondered how regular people are building real income streams using small machines they buy online? Today, we're breaking down 18 small business machines available on Amazon that can help you start earning from home, scale a side hustle, or even launch a full-time business. Many of these machines don't require advanced skills, large spaces, or massive startup budgets, just creativity, consistency, and the right tools. Whether you're interested in custom printing, food businesses, crafting, or event rentals, there's something on this list for you. So make sure you stick around and check both. As always, all product links are in the description, so you can explore pricing and details for yourself. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Cricut Easy Press Mini. The Cricut Easy Press Mini is a compact but powerful heat press designed for small, detailed customization projects. This machine is perfect for adding logos, names, and designs to hats, shoes, sleeves, stuffed toys, and other hard-to-reach surfaces where traditional presses struggle. Its small size makes it extremely easy to control, even for beginners with no technical background. Many small business owners use this machine to create personalized gifts, baby items, and branded merchandise for local businesses. Because it heats quickly and maintains consistent temperature, it delivers professional results without complicated setup. The Easy Press Mini is also lightweight and portable, making it ideal for home-based businesses or craft fairs. Profit margins are strong because customization costs are low, while personalized products sell at premium prices. With social media marketing and custom orders, this simple machine can quickly turn into a steady income stream. Number 2. Heat Press Machine. A full-size heat press machine is one of the most profitable tools for starting a customization business. This machine allows you to transfer designs onto t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and uniforms using heat and pressure. It's widely used for bulk orders, making it ideal for schools, sports teams, events, and corporate branding. Modern heat press machines heat up quickly and offer adjustable temperature and pressure controls, ensuring consistent results every time. Many entrepreneurs pair this machine with vinyl cutters or sublimation printers to expand product offerings. The ability to produce professional quality apparel at home significantly reduces outsourcing costs. Once you secure repeat customers, this machine can run continuously, handling large orders efficiently. With low material costs and high demand, a heat press machine can recover its investment quickly and become a long-term income generator. Number 3. Mini Heat Press. The Mini Heat Press is designed for creators who want to specialize in smaller products with high customization value. This machine is commonly used for caps, shoes, patches, labels, and accessories. Its compact design makes it beginner-friendly and perfect for small workshops or home setups. Many small brands use mini heat presses to create limited edition merchandise or add finishing touches to products made with larger presses. Because it's simple to operate, production time is short, allowing for fast turnaround on custom orders. The ability to personalize small items opens doors to niche markets like sports teams, weddings, and promotional giveaways. Profit margins are attractive since materials are inexpensive, and customers pay more for personalized details. This machine is especially powerful when combined with social media sales and local partnerships. Number 4. Magic Mill Pro. The Magic Mill Pro is a professional-grade food dehydrator ideal for launching a food-based business. It allows you to dry fruits, vegetables, meats, herbs, and even pet treats with precision and consistency. Many entrepreneurs use dehydrators to sell healthy snacks, jerky, dried fruit packs, or homemade dog treats. With adjustable temperature and digital controls, this machine ensures safe and even drying without constant supervision. The stainless steel trays offer durability and easy cleaning, making it suitable for regular production. Dehydrated products have long shelf life, reducing waste and increasing profit margins. This machine is perfect for farmers markets, online shops, and subscription snack boxes. Once recipes are refined, production becomes highly scalable. The Magic Mill Pro is a strong investment for anyone interested in the growing health and wellness market. Number 5. Cup Heat Press. A cup heat press is essential for anyone selling customized mugs, tumblers, and drinkware. This machine applies even heat around cups, ensuring designs transfer smoothly and permanently. Personalized drinkware is extremely popular for gifts, corporate branding, and promotional events. The machine supports various cup sizes, allowing you to expand your product range easily. Many small businesses use cup heat presses to sell bundles like gift sets or branded office mugs. Once designs are created, production is fast, making it ideal for handling bulk orders. The startup cost is relatively low, while profit margins remain strong due to high perceived value. This machine pairs perfectly with sublimation printers, enabling vibrant full-color designs. With consistent demand and repeat customers, a cup heat press can become a reliable source of income. Number 6. Inflatable Cash Cube. The inflatable cash cube is a unique and highly engaging machine used for events, promotions, and brand activations. Participants step inside and grab flying cash or coupons, making it a crowd favorite at festivals, corporate events, and trade shows. This machine is easy to transport, quick to set up, and visually attention-grabbing. Many rental businesses charge premium rates per event, especially for branded or themed setups. Because it creates excitement and social media buzz, event organizers are willing to pay more for the experience. The cash cube requires minimal maintenance and can be reused repeatedly, making it a high-return investment. With proper marketing to event planners and businesses, this machine can generate consistent bookings throughout the year. Number 7. Zymatic with Keg. The Zymatic with Keg is an advanced brewing machine designed for craft beer enthusiasts and small-scale producers. It allows users to brew high-quality beer with precision and consistency. Many entrepreneurs use this machine to develop unique recipes for local events, tastings, or private label brewing. With automated brewing processes, it reduces manual labor while maintaining professional results. This machine is ideal for testing new flavors before scaling production. The craft beer market values uniqueness, and small batches often command premium pricing. For those with brewing knowledge, this machine can serve as the foundation for a niche beverage business or specialty service. Number 8. Vinyl Cutter Kit. A vinyl cutter kit is one of the most versatile machines for starting a home-based business. It allows you to cut designs for stickers, decals, signs, wall art, and apparel. Many small businesses use vinyl cutters to produce custom branding materials for shops and vehicles. The kit often includes design software and starter materials, making it beginner-friendly. Once designs are created, production is fast and repeatable. Vinyl products have low material costs but high selling potential, especially for personalized orders. With online marketplaces and local clients, this machine can generate steady income with minimal overhead. Number 9. Oil Press Machine. An oil press machine enables you to extract fresh natural oils from seeds and nuts. This machine is popular among health-focused entrepreneurs producing cold-pressed oils, like sesame, sunflower, and peanut oil. Customers value freshly pressed oils for their purity and nutritional benefits. The machine supports both home and small commercial use, making it flexible for scaling. With growing demand for natural and organic products, cold-pressed oils sell at premium prices. Production costs are relatively low, while profit margins remain strong. This machine is ideal for health markets, specialty stores, and direct-to-consumer sales. Number 10. Foxalien Masuder Pro. The Foxalien Masuder Pro is a powerful CNC router designed for creators who want to turn woodworking and engraving into a profitable business. This machine allows you to carve detailed designs into wood, MDF, acrylic, and soft metals with impressive accuracy. With its sturdy frame and smooth motion system, it produces professional-grade results even for beginners. Many small businesses use CNC routers to create custom signs, wall art, furniture accents, cutting boards, and personalized gifts. These products sell extremely well online and at local markets because customers love customized home decor. The Masuder Pro is also beginner-friendly, with partial pre-assembly and clear setup instructions. allowing you to start production quickly. Once you learn basic design software, this machine can run for hours producing consistent items, making it ideal for batch orders. Over time, it can easily pay for itself through custom commissions, Etsy sales, or partnerships with local interior designers and businesses. Number 11. Cutting and Embossing Machine. A cutting and embossing machine is a must-have tool for anyone entering the crafting or stationery business. This machine allows you to precisely cut paper, vinyl, fabric, leather, and specialty materials while also adding raised embossed textures for premium designs. It's commonly used for wedding invitations, greeting cards, planners, scrapbooks, packaging inserts, and branded stationery. Small businesses love this machine because it offers endless customization with minimal material cost. You can create high-end products that feel luxurious while keeping production expenses low. The consistent pressure and smooth cutting system ensure professional results even for intricate designs. Because it doesn't rely on electricity, it's reliable, portable, and perfect for home-based businesses. Many sellers bundle custom stationery or event kits, significantly increasing order value. With creativity and branding, this machine can turn simple materials into products people are willing to pay premium prices for. Number 12. Brother Sublimation Printer. The Brother Sublimation Printer is a game-changer for print-on-demand businesses. This machine allows you to print vibrant, full-color designs that permanently bond with fabrics and coated surfaces. It's ideal for creating custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, mouse pads, and promotional products. Unlike traditional printing, sublimation designs don't crack or fade, giving customers long-lasting quality. The printer integrates seamlessly with mobile apps, making design creation and printing incredibly convenient. Many entrepreneurs use this machine to run online stores, fulfill custom orders, or sell branded merchandise for influencers and small companies. Sublimation products are lightweight, easy to ship, and scalable, making them perfect for e-commerce. Once your designs are created, production becomes fast and repeatable. This printer is especially powerful when paired with heat presses, allowing you to expand your product range and maximize profits. Number 13. Balloon Stuffing Machine. The balloon stuffing machine is one of the most creative and visually appealing business tools on this list. It allows you to create luxury balloon gifts filled with teddy bears, flowers, chocolates, cash, or custom messages. These balloon arrangements are extremely popular for birthdays, anniversaries, proposals, baby showers, and corporate events. The machine stretches balloons evenly, making stuffing quick and professional looking. Many balloon businesses thrive almost entirely through social media marketing, especially Instagram and TikTok, where eye-catching designs attract high engagement. Profit margins are strong because the materials are inexpensive, while finished products sell at premium prices. The machine is easy to use and doesn't require technical skills, making it perfect for beginners. With themed designs and seasonal promotions, this business can grow quickly and generate consistent demand year-round. Number 14. Lens Polishing Machine. A lens polishing machine opens the door to a specialized service-based business with relatively low competition. This machine is used to restore scratched eyeglass lenses, saving customers the cost of full replacements. Optical shops, repair kiosks, and mobile technicians rely on polishing machines to offer quick turnaround services. With adjustable timers and secure lens holders, the machine delivers consistent results without damaging delicate surfaces. Many entrepreneurs operate this business from small workshops or partner with local opticians. Because each service takes only a few minutes, the earning potential per hour can be quite high. Customers appreciate affordable repairs, and word-of-mouth referrals play a huge role in business growth. This machine is ideal for those looking to offer a practical, high-demand service with minimal ongoing costs. Number 15. Screen Printing Kit. A screen printing kit is a classic and proven way to start a profitable customization business. It allows you to print bold, durable designs on t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, posters, and more. Screen printing is especially popular for bulk orders, making it ideal for schools, sports teams, events, and businesses. Compared to other printing methods, screen printing offers excellent durability and vibrant colors. The setup process is straightforward, and once screens are prepared, production becomes fast and efficient. Many entrepreneurs combine screen printing with online marketing to sell branded apparel or limited edition drops. Because materials are affordable and demand is consistent, profit margins remain strong. With practice, this kit can scale into a full production operation, making it a reliable long-term business investment. Number 16. Ice cream machine. An ice cream machine is perfect for launching a food-based business with high customer appeal. This machine allows you to create soft serve, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and frozen desserts in minutes. It's ideal for pop-up shops, food trucks, catering services, and event rentals. The ability to customize flavors and textures gives you a creative edge, while quick production keeps lines moving. Ice cream businesses thrive during warm seasons, but can also expand into frozen drinks and desserts year-round. Ingredients are relatively low cost, and finished products have excellent profit margins. With strong branding and location strategy, this machine can generate steady daily income. Number 17. Laboratory centrifuge machine. A laboratory centrifuge machine serves niche but highly valuable markets. It's used in laboratories, cosmetic formulation, medical testing, and research environments to separate liquids efficiently. Small businesses offering lab services, skincare development, or educational training often rely on centrifuges for precise results. With programmable speeds and safety features, this machine ensures reliable performance. Because this equipment targets specialized users, services often command premium pricing. Entrepreneurs who understand this market can build long-term contracts and recurring clients. It's a professional-grade machine suited for technical and science-based ventures. Number 18. Cotton candy machine. The cotton candy machine is one of the most fun and profitable event-based machines available. It produces colorful, fluffy cotton candy quickly, making it perfect for parties, festivals, fairs, and rentals. The machine is easy to operate, clean, and transport, allowing for mobile business setups. Cotton candy has low material costs and high visual appeal, especially for children's events. Many businesses charge per serving or offer bundled packages for parties. With creative flavors and colors, you can stand out from competitors. This machine is ideal for anyone looking for a simple, fast-return business with strong demand. Thanks for watching. If you're serious about starting or scaling a small business, the right machine can completely change your income potential. What matters most isn't just the equipment, it's how you use it, market it, and stay consistent. Every machine on this list has real earning potential when paired with creativity and smart execution. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for product links. Let us know in the comments which machine you're most interested in starting with. Your next income stream might be closer than you think.